Hi guys, Velian speaks Tech here VST, and we have today received the message that Open Beta 8 is up there for our beloved OnePlus 8. So what we're gonna do, guys, here, this time we're not gonna use the OxygenOS updater, rather we're gonna use the normal over-the-air updater. So we have to go and press Settings. Then we need to go to System, and as you can see here, I have already an indication I have something new. So OnePlus apparently cooked something new for me. So let's check what we have in Open Beta 8. Alright, so we click the system updates, and now we see I'm running already the Open Beta 7. Now you see that I'm running already the Open Beta 7, and this is what we have, guys, here in the new OxygenOS Open Beta 8. System updates optimized the mistouches when the phone was in pocket. This, guys, is huge. I can tell you, this was one of the things that really annoyed me the most when I switched over the Mi 9 for the OnePlus 7 and then the OnePlus 7 Pro, because you know that because of the sensor that they're using, the fingerprint sensor, guys, all the time, you know, I had this thing in my pocket, my music would stop, but I would try to, you know, to do anything else, to like not call somebody, but, you know, just interrupt some actions. This one hopefully is going to be a very much welcome optimization. Fixed the display issue on the uninstalling page, updated Android security patch to 2019-12, which is kind of like December, that's good. Improved stability and fixed general bugs, and this is, guys, one of the favorites. This can mean everything. Camera optimization, so fix the cross issue while opening the app, fix the black screen issue, and guys, we can see actually it's a huge update, right? So, okay, let's press down. We are back with the first boot of Open Beta 8 for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's just check, go again in settings. Now this time we go about phone, and here we should already see that we are running the Open Beta 8, guys. Alright, so one thing that we can check, if we go to security, and then we can see that the security update is apparently from December, and besides this, I think that's pretty much it. So there are not really a lot of things that we can check, besides the fact that the security patch is being installed, the latest one from December, and then apparently all the things that we seen in the beginning, guys. So this was a short video of me updating my OnePlus 8, sorry, I wish, OnePlus 7 Pro with the Open Beta 8, guys. So yeah, let's see. I think it's definitely safe to update it. You can use, of course, the OxygenOS Update 2 now, because I was waiting one day. I just got it over the air and I just used like the standard method. So whatever you want, you know, you can do. And yeah, guys, I hope that you like my video. So don't forget to like it and subscribe for my channel if you're not already. Bye, VST over.